Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ACER Iconia P10 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this section, the left section, we have to scroll and find the apps. Now let's scroll down and enter special app access. Scroll down and localize install unknown apps. And here we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed, like in my case, to install some content. And of course we can change it. For example, let's open the Chrome, tap on the switcher, and after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the specific app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.